Well guys, I just thought I'd make a little quick video. I currently picked up this project car, as you probably all know. Well, some of you won't know. It's a Mitsubishi Lancer. Hold on, try to put the flash on here. So pretty much the story about this is it was originally a GSR 1.8 turbo. I bought it 2 weeks ago. It's currently, I'll tell you now, there is a 1.6 Mavic engine in it at the minute. I currently bought it as a project. As you can see, it kind of needs a lot of work. Interior wise, it's all good. Like I said, it's originally a 1.8 turbo GSR. Hold on, try to get it better. The interior is quite clean. Just a couple of things to be done, door cards, you know. What else? Respray. Needs to be sprayed, but that's in the workshop. What else have we got? We need regulators. Pretty much mechanically, overall, it's very good. What does it need? It needs CV boots. Underneath, actually, is quite clean. I don't know if I'm going to get a good picture here. I'm sure you're all aware of the legs that kind of go a lot. I can't really get the angle on the phone here, but I'll make more videos about this. I don't know what's going on with the flash. The reason why I was thinking about making this video is because I don't actually see a lot of videos on YouTube about this. These kind of cars, especially this kind of year. This is a 1996. Bear in mind, this is my first time making a blog about this kind of car, or in general on YouTube. Jeez, noisy on bikes. But yeah, I'm planning on doing a whole blog, start to finish, on this car. Full respray, new tyres, just the overall bits of TLC, I suppose. Otherwise, it's straight car. It's very clean underneath, no roughs whatsoever. The last registered owner was 2008, I believe. Let me see if I can turn this camera around.